Today, we're excited to introduce the VASAGLE bathroom floor storage cabinet, a perfect blend of style and functionality for your home. This compact yet spacious unit, measuring 11.8 inches deep by 23.6 inches wide and 31.5 inches high, maximizes your bathroom space with ease. Crafted from robust MDF, this cabinet is designed to be sturdy and stable, featuring an anti-tip kit for added safety. Inside, you'll find an adjustable shelf with 3 height options, perfect for organizing both tall and short items while keeping them dust-free. Its elegant dove gray finish and beadboard style design make it a beautiful addition to any room, whether it's your bathroom, living room, or entryway. Plus, assembly is a breeze with numbered parts and easy-to-follow instructions, so you can enjoy your new storage solution in no time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.